Hello everybody, this is Malu-ay, a second year student of Tagulwan Community College taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education specialized in English. In this video, I'm going to do demonstration about the topic Modal Auxiliaries handling grade 10 students. Good morning everybody, could you arrange your chairs please? Okay, that's right. Thank you very much. So now let's start this session with a prayer. Would fancy to volunteer? Okay, go on, Miss Rinalyn. Amen. There you go. Thank you, Miss Rinalyn. You may now sit, everyone. Okay, let's check your attendance first. Now, who could recall about the topic we've discussed last time? Yes, James, you're raising your hand. Very good. That's right. We talked about auxiliary verbs last session. And what are the examples of auxiliary verbs? Yes, Vivian. Exactly. Very good. Okay, now before we proceed to our next topic, does anyone want to play a game here? Yes. I know you all want to play a game. Then we'll have it right now. Listen, the game is called Guess the Modal. And what we're going to do here is I will flash pictures on the board one at a time, and you're going to guess what's the perfect bird you see from the box above that marks with the picture. Here. Are you ready? Here we go. First picture. Yes, that's correct. Clap your hands for Jason, everybody. Okay, next picture. Yes, Miss Marlene, what could it be? You are right. May is the correct choice. Clap your hands for Miss Marlene, everyone. Okay, next up, here's the picture number 3. Congratulations, Miss Fee, you got it right. Well is the correct answer. Okay, now the last one, who might get it correctly? Very good, Miss Jisa. Can is the correct answer. Congratulations, everyone. Clap your hands for yourselves now. The words you've seen from the box are examples of modal auxiliary verbs. That's perfect, since our topic for today's session will be all about the modal auxiliaries. Let us proceed. Okay, modal auxiliaries are a special type of helping verbs. They are joined with the simple form of the verb. Modal verbs or modal auxiliaries is a category of auxiliary verbs, and we all know from the last topic that auxiliary verbs are verbs that help the main verb to show its tense or form negation or questions. It implements auxiliary verbs chains. It chains according to tense, case, voice, aspect, person, and number. Modal verbs are words like can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Therefore, there are only 9 modal auxiliaries in English. And unlike auxiliary verbs, modal auxiliary verbs or modal auxiliaries are used to indicate modality. They can express possibility, probability, ability, permission, obligation, etc. So we have here example number 1. The sentence is, he can sing beautifully. What is the modal verb here? Yes, very good, Mijit, you're right. Can is the modal verb here. So what indication of modality is being expressed here? Yes, Terence Blair. That's right. The sentence expresses ability because of the word can. Yeah, very good. That's correct. Okay, example number 2. It might rain tomorrow. What is the modal verb here? Very good. Might is the modal verb. And it is? Excellent, Reggie. It expresses possibility. Okay, example number 3. I will complete this tomorrow. Yes, well is the modal verb here, and it expresses what modality? That's right, it expresses obligation. Okay, last example number 4. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? What is the modal verb? Yeah, that's right, word is the modal verb, and it expresses what? Very good, Vivian. It expresses permission. For what reason? Yes, that's correct, because it is asking. Okay, thank you so much for being so active. Now, for your group activity, I'm dividing you into 6 groups. Then, each group must list at least 6 sentences that would include any of those modal verbs we've just discussed right now. So, you will be given 10 minutes only to finish that one. Okay, listen, group number 1, you're going to write sentences that express probability. Okay. Group 2, yours is possibility. Group number 3, you're going to write sentences that express permission. And group number 4, you're going to write sentences. Okay, time is up. Pass your papers now. In a count of 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, no more papers. Okay, let us proceed. Before I give you your final output, allow me to ask you 2 questions. Okay, are you ready again? What is modal auxiliaries? Any representative to stand up, please? Okay, go ahead, Kyra Joy. Excellent. Okay, next question. What are the functions of modal auxiliary verbs? Yes, out, James. Please stand up. That's correct. You all are so brilliant. Clap your hands for yourselves, everybody. Okay, now listen for your final output. You're going to write an essay that talks about current issues in the Philippines. And it must include all of the modal auxiliary verbs that we discussed a while ago. So you must then underline those verbs and indicate in a parenthesis beside it if the sentence expresses what kind of modality. Is it possibility, probability, necessity, or what it could be? You should include them in your essay. And also we have here the rubric for essay writing. Wait a minute. Okay, for quality of writing would be worth 10 points. Grammar, 15 points. Proper usage of modal auxiliary verbs, 15 points again. And lastly, accurate indications would be worth 10 points, the total of 50 points. Am I clear, everyone? Okay. And for your assignment, please open your book. Okay. Please open your book in page 84. Please open your book in page 84 and please answer exercise A and exercise B. In exercise A, you just have to rewrite the phrase there. Replace the auxiliary verbs with modal auxiliary verbs. Okay, so simple, right? And in exercise B here, you have to make sentences and insert these words you see below. Okay, like for example in number 1, the words are must eat. So you just have to make sentence that includes must eat in it. Am I clear, everyone? Okay, good. Thank you so much for your presence for today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.